This video is sponsored by ProFirst. Visit our websites for more information.
The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration recently issued a consumer safety advisory to alert vehicle owners and repair professionals to the growing use of counterfeit airbags. NHTSA reports that while these airbags can look nearly identical to original equipment airbags, their testing has shown that they consistently malfunction, with some even releasing metal shrapnel during deployment. Another area to pay special attention to as you go through the collision repair process is the possible use of salvage airbags. These are parts that have been removed from another vehicle, usually one that was considered a total loss. Airbags work in concert with airbag deployment sensors and all components of the energy absorption system to provide proper timing for their deployment when you need them. Automakers have confidence in the performance of the airbags and airbag system components they design and install in their vehicles, as they're engineered, built, and tested to work together as a system in the event of a crash. The use of salvage airbags is not recommended by car makers, as many factors could affect their integrity, including weathering, removal processes, and reconditioning techniques. It is not just automakers urging vehicle owners to use caution when airbags need to be replaced. In a Q&A document for consumers, the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety says a new replacement airbag module from the original manufacturer of the vehicle should be used for vehicles that require an airbag replacement. It goes on to warn, there's a significant possibility of a mismatch between the salvage airbag module and the vehicle being repaired. Make sure to advise your customers to ask questions of their repairer and/or insurer, and make sure they're comfortable with the parts being used to make those repairs. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.